1. Which of the following gear tooth failures are induced when maximum Hertz contact stress on gear tooth surface exceeds surface endurance strength of tooth? A. Abrasive strength. B. Corrosive wear. C. Destructive pitting. D. Galling. Two. What is scuffing? A. Lubrication failure. B. Surface fatigue failure. C. Surface injury on matting teeth surfaces. D. Wear due to chemical action by lubricants. Three. What is the deformation or dynamic factor if sum of errors on meshing teeth of steel pinion and gear is 32 x 10 to 3 mm? A. 284.8 n/mm. B. 300.23 n/mm. C. 320.5 n/mm. D. 368 n/mm. If sigma bxy pinion sigma bxy gear then underscore 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 is designed for bending. A. Pinion. B. Gear. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. What is the load stress factor for cast iron gear pair if BHN equals 300? A. 1.89 n/mm2. B. 1.62 n/mm2. C. 1.44 n/mm2. D. 1.413 n/mm2. Six. Angle made by underscore 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 with axis of rotation is called as helix angle. A. Only helix. B. Only teeth. C. Helix or teeth. D. None of the above. Seven. What is the minimum face width required for a helical gear which has helix angle of 23.0 and normal module of 7? A. Greater than or equal to 64.72. B. Greater than or equal to 56.28. C. Greater than or equal to 33.35. D. Greater than or equal to 8.74. Which of the following formulae is used to determine minimum number of teeth required on helical pinion to avoid interference? A. 2 ha cos 3 psi, / mn sin 2 phi n. B. mn zp / 2 cos psi n, 1 plus g. C. 1.15 pi mn / sin psi n. D. None of the above. To avoid interference, the minimum number of teeth required on helical pinion decreases as helix angle underscore 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 underscore. A. Decreases. B. Increases. C. Does not affect number of teeth. D. None of the above.
A deep groove ball bearing rotating at 1200 rpm is subjected to radial and an axial force of 2000 N and 1500 N respectively. What will be the basic dynamic capacity of bearing if 20,000 hours is the rating life? Consider radial factor equals 0.55, thrust factor equals 2 and application factor equals 1.5. A. 69.448 knots. B. 54.498 knots. C. 50.236 knots. D. 12.726 knots.
Load acting on bearing in its plane of rotation is called as underscore 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 underscore. A. Axial load. B. Radial load. C. Thrust load. D. None of the above. What is the pitch line velocity if pinion has pitch circle diameter of 35 mm and rotates at 1000 r.p.m transmitting power of 250 kW to the gear? A. 1.832 m/s. B. 2.5 m/s. C. 3.662 m/s. D. None of the above.
A bevel gear consists of steel pinion and cast iron gear having pitch line velocity of 10 m/s. The maximum tangential force acting on the gear is 1500 N and face width is 40 mm. What is the dynamic load acting on this single stage bevel gear box if sum of errors on meshing teeth is 10 x 10 to 3 N/mm? Use Buckingham's equation. A. 4000.12 N. B. 4064.58 N. C. 2500.23 N. D. 2000.10 N.
A bevel gear made of steel pinion and steel gear has dynamic factor C equal to underscore 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 underscore. A. 8900 E. B. 10,000 E. C. 11,500 E. D. 15,000 E. A straight bevel gear is manufactured by cutting process and maximum tangential force of 12,000 N acts on it. What is the effective load acting between meshing teeth if pitch line velocity is 130 m/s? A. 92.30 knots. B. 272 knots. C. 2000 N. D. Insufficient data.